Hi folks, Chris Voss here from thechrisvossshow.com, thechrisvossshow.com. Hey, we're coming here with a really cool product. This is from Brilens, Brilens.com. You can check out their website. And this is pretty cool. It's the world's first laser projector that you can take and use that's portable. And it also has passive 3D on it. So very cool and neat. You can use a battery to take and carry this thing around and project on just about any surface you want to. It's pretty cool in how they set it up and everything else. You can see here it's a nice small portable unit too. It's not that big, so it's easy to carry around and do stuff with. Now, it's got 3,800 lumens of brightness in its lens. It's got a contrast of 100,000 to 1. It runs on a native resolution of 1280 to 800 HD, and it will give you a lamp and bulb life. The lamp is an Osram laser, and it's got +2 LED 50,000 hour bulbs. The display technology is DLP, and it's got built-in Miracast, Wheaty, and Android 4.2 Wi-Fi that you can take and use. So this is native to 1280 by 768. It will run 1080p, but for the most part, it's going to show everything in 720p. Now it uses a laser light functioning system. It will convert 2D to 3D. Even comes with 3D glasses you can use to take and see the pictures as you adjust them. And of course, you can move from 2D to 3D and show that in that way also. So several different ways you can do that. It's got wireless screen mirroring, so you can adjust it and move it around. Very cool in its operation, how it works. It's something you use for your business or home, and of course making it portable makes it so you can just go around anywhere with it. You can of course mount this from the front, the rear, the ceiling mount, desk mount, and everything else, and basically watch it wherever you want to take and go. So very cool that way. The LED is 150 watts, and it should give you pretty much about 50,000 hours of display or bulb use, I suppose you want to take and call it. It's got several of the things you can plug into on the back. It's got VGA, USB, micro SD card, video input. It's got an AIN computer input to it, HDMI ×2, network, so you can plug right into a network. It also has Wi-Fi built in. It's got a power plug that actually has a special lock on it that keeps it from pulling out on you. And it's got a battery plug-in. So you can plug this in several different ways to be able to get your media onto it and project it onto just about whatever you want to take and do. What's very nice about it, it's very thin, lightweight, uncompact. It has almost no noise going on with it, so you're not going to hear any fans or lights blowing, etc., etc. It's got a projection lens of f1.6 with a zoom of 1.0 to 1.3. You just adjust it down the side, and away you go. And it'll support up to 23 different languages, so no matter what you're doing, you can get this thing in the language where you can see the menu, how the menu operates, what it does, etc., etc. So very cool, very simple and easy to format. It's got a mouse on the top. You can mouse through the different menus, which work fine in adjusting everything you need to do. I definitely enjoyed it. It's definitely a really cool unit, and the way that it operates does a great job, kicks butt, and you couldn't ask for more. So be sure to check it out. You can go to Brilens.com. That's Brilens.com. Check out the LS1280, and this is basically a great projector that you can take and utilize for what you need to take and do. Thanks for coming by the ChrisVossShow.com. Be sure to check into the often and give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube. We'll see you next time.